Hi, my name is Sarah King, and I'm the coordinator of the Writing Center here at U of T Scarborough, and I'm also an English professor. And I want to take just a couple of minutes to answer a question that I think a lot of university students have when they start their first university courses, and particularly when they get their first research and writing assignment at university. And that question is, why do university professors emphasize citing your sources so much? Why do they put so much energy and concern into plagiarism and encouraging students not to plagiarize? So I have three practical answers for you on those questions. First of all, citing sources allows your reader to see as they're reading where the ideas and facts and statistics and claims that are in your paper but that don't come from you, where they come from. Your reader can then follow up if they're interested, and yes, they can also get a sense of the kind of research that you've done for that paper. Number two, yes, if you do a lot of research and reading, tracking and citing sources is time-consuming. It's a lot of work. But citing the sources makes that work visible and allows you to get credit for it. So see it as a really positive thing. And number three, citing the work of others that's in your paper, the ideas that are not yours, also highlights the ideas that are yours, so that the reader can see the connections and the conclusions that you've made based on the research and reading that you've done. So those are the practical things to think about. There is a little bit of a bigger picture at university, though, that I think is really worth knowing about. And that is that universities value learning and knowledge more than anything else. That's part of what they're here for, is to collect knowledge and to share it with students and to build more knowledge. So university professors are hired because they're experts in a particular field. They've spent a lot of time gathering knowledge about it. They've also spent a fair bit of time contributing in a small way or in a larger way to knowledge in that field. That's basically what a PhD dissertation is about. And many professors go on, continue to do research throughout their careers and add to the store of knowledge in a particular field. So I sometimes think students see plagiarism as a little bit like borrowing your roommate's old shirt and wearing it to a party and not mentioning at the party that it's not your shirt, right? It's not a big deal. But think of it this way. Everybody at that party makes shirts. In fact, it's not really a party, it's a shirt maker's convention. All of the people there are interested in and passionate about shirts. They want to know more about shirts. They want to build better shirts. They want to get new ideas for shirts. They want to share ideas for shirts. And they want to get credit for the shirts that they make. So when you pass off a shirt of someone else's as yours, you're not giving credit to the original shirt maker. And you're also showing that you don't care about shirts in the same way that the other people at that party do. It kind of implies that you don't really belong in the way that you might want to. So one of the reasons here at university is to learn. And no, not about shirt making probably, but about literature, biology, philosophy, psychology, sociology, computer science, political science, mathematics, economics, statistics. And at university, you learn from the experts. So your professors are experts, and the authors of the textbooks and the readings that they've assigned and the research materials that you find on your own, those are also the experts. So part of your job at university is to do the work of learning from those experts. Then, when you cite those sources in your writing, you're giving those experts credit for the work that they've done, and you're also giving yourself credit for the work of learning that you've done.